having problems with the neighbors here. I was here the last time. I'm buying this house, and you know, we were in the back, and some lady just came out. What are you doing here? I was like, I'm buying the house. And she was like, well, who do you know, blah blah blah. And she made a big deal. Tried to call the cops, but she doesn't even know anybody that lives here, so she's just kind of like overwatching the neighbor. I don't know what's going on, but I have the deed to the house. So. The life of a real estate investor, right? Okay, so this house is a little 2-bedroom, 1-bath. The good thing about it though is it's really, really close to downtown and the Lone Star District. So they're doing a development right here at the Lone Star Brewery. It was an old brewery that no longer serves a purpose, and they're gonna redevelop it into like a big shopping center, kind of like the Pearl if you're familiar with the San Antonio area. So we're ahead of the curve, so that's a good thing. We're gonna put probably about 40-50,000 into this house and probably shoot for Airbnb. That's the model we're gonna go with here. So to me, this is an easy fix. This is an easy remodel. I hope we actually get to talk to the neighbor, the Karen that we have on our hands. So this is it right here. So what we do, you already know, guys, if you've been keeping up with the channel, what we do to our properties, we're ripping all of this out, leveling the house. If it needs, we'll check plumbing, sewer, electrical, all the main components, make sure everything's running good. Then we'll retexture the whole house, replacing the sheetrock necessary, and then bring it up into the future, 2023, right? It's still in 1950. So that's what we do, right? So that's what we do as real estate investors, right? We take houses that need a lot of work, we put a lot of money into them to bring them up to standards into 2023, and that's where we create equity, right? So the house isn't worth nothing without the repairs, right? So we're gonna probably put a lot of money into this house. As you can tell, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but like, look at this tree right here. That is very dangerous, right? That is literally a limb that's just hanging there waiting to fall on that house. If that limb falls down there through a heavy storm or something, can you see that, Albert? That limb right there? That'll probably knock all that down if it falls, right? That looks heavy, right? Yeah. It'll definitely cause some damage right here. This, look, we gotta knock this down. I mean, look at this. This serves no purpose. This is just down here, all rotted out, and it serves no purpose, right? All of this siding, I'm gonna replace it. So I'm taking off all this wood siding. I'm taking off all this trim, and I'm taking out all the windows, and I'm replacing everything, right? So this is gonna be a brand new house when it's all said and done. This is the front door right here. I do not like where the front door is at. I would probably move it, take this window out, and put the front door over here, and just enclose that, because it looks like it should go somewhere like right here. To me, right? Like the front door should be somewhere like right here. Knock down this old rotted tree, and really bring this property back to life. Take this fence off right here and re-put this fence. This side one's okay. So you see up ahead, you see where that long tower's at up there, the brick tower? Yeah. That's the Lone Star Brewery right there, the old Lone Star Brewery. So that right there, that is why the area is going to be valuable, because of what that's going to, you know, bring to the property. So back, I don't know if you're familiar with San Antonio, but we have the Pearl area, and the Pearl brought real massive value to the east side. So that's what the Lone Star District's going to do to this side of town. So I'm pretty excited. Like, if you actually, like, look, just take a walk with me. Like, you can tell this is an old neighborhood, right? Look at this. This is a new house right here. That's a brand new house right there. See that right there? This lot right here, oh shit. See this brand new house right here? Guys, this lot right here, this piece of dirt, no house on it, no nothing, is probably worth 60 grand. Oh, it has water on it, it's worth even more. Somebody would probably pay 60, 65,000 for this piece of dirt right here, build that and sell it for 300. Okay? Or over 300. They'd probably build a house for like 150, 160, buy the dirt for 60, be all in 200, 210, and then have a house worth probably 320, 330. It's a very nice house, right? You get something like that. But that's where we're at, guys. This is what we do for a living. This is where you create value, and this is where you make your money, right? Buying very distressed assets, putting money into them and in established neighborhoods that's on the come up. So this neighborhood is highly desirable, and I was able to find a really good deal. And I'm excited, man. Let's see what this can bring us. All right, so like another part of this right here, look how small these houses are. How big do y'all think this house is right here? This house is like 400 square feet. It's not even the size of a garage. And they're probably renting this probably for like $100 a night. So super cheap and downtown. So it's on the same block. Look, if you can tell, all of these are the same. Look, there's another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right here. That's crazy. How much would you pay for a house like this, and tell me what do you think it's worth? I think it's probably worth like, I don't know, in this little neighborhood it's expensive. So as you can tell, this whole neighborhood's getting remodeled. That's a remodel right there. That's a better size though. Are we doing this neighborhood? Yeah, no, this is gonna have a roof in the back. That one right there. What do y'all think about this? If y'all ever find a house in the Lone Star neighborhood, make sure you hit me up. I'm buying in this area.